Until 2 weeks ago, sixth graders could be found tossing footballs, running for touchdowns, and working through sports-related conflicts. Recess was a time to play, learn, and exercise. Then, football was banned for causing conflicts between students. Now you'll find us lounging on the grass and wishing for something to fill our time with. What the adults at Park Middle School need to understand is that football is not the problem. In fact, it is great for kids. Football should not be banned because it is a good source of exercise, a game that everyone can participate in, and helps you learn important life lessons.
The first reason football should not be banned from recess is because it is great exercise. The Time for Kids article, First Lady Fights Laziness in Kids, talks about the different ways that Mrs. Obama is helping children in America get healthier. Mrs. Obama says one of the reasons kids become unhealthy is because they don't get enough exercise. On average, 54% of students do not get enough daily physical activity. This shows how important sports like football are. Teachers and kids could play together and everyone would be more active. We need football so we don't grow up to be unhealthy and get diseases like diabetes or heart disease.
Another reason we should be able to play football during recess is because everyone can play. You don't need to spend money on fancy equipment or uniforms. According to Michael Thomas, head of the athletic department at Park Middle School, football will not cost the school any money, and it is great because it is a sport for everyone. This shows that everyone can play football because whether you are a great player or a beginner, there is always a place for you on the team. Football has big teams, so it doesn't leave anyone out like other games. Just picture it. Every child in sixth grade invited to play together.
Some people think football causes students to argue or fight. In the article, Does Recess Cause Conflict? It states organized sports during recess, like football or soccer, can cause conflict between students that can continue off the field and into the classroom. However, football actually teaches students important skills. Christiana McAndrews, a child psychologist, says football is a great way for students to learn social skills and about how to solve problems on their own. This shows that football is a valuable tool to teach students how to work together and resolve conflicts, which are important traits that all students need to learn.
If football is allowed again during recess, we will get more exercise, we will build community, and we will learn important skills. Please take the football ban away and let us play again. We will be